Hi guys! For tonight's video, wala lang. So, gusto ko lang na karoon ng topic or mag-video since I can't sleep. Although I'm a little bit tired from work, but my mind is still awake. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about updating sa relationship, guys. Gaano ba kahalaga yung updating sa relationship? Paano magmumukhang hindi toxic yung relationship nyo while asking your partner to update? Or saan ba every time ba kailangan mag-update mga ganun natin? So, let's get started. Charot lang. Arte-arte. So, maraming relationship yung nag-end up because of this reason. Parang, kung titingnan nyo guys, parang simple lang yung reason, di ba? Ba't kayo nag-break? Kasi hindi siya nag-update eh. Parang, yun lang yung yun lang yung reason. Hindi nag-update, parang babaw naman, di ba? If titingnan nyo sa ganong side, parang napakababaw yung reason. Pero guys, huwag nating i-take for granted yung partner natin because she needs or he needs update. Ang laking tulong guys ng updating sa relationship. Lalong-lalo na sa mga long distance relationship. Why? A small update, guys, can give your partner peace of mind. Hindi naman kailangan, ito yung ginagawa ko, nagluluto ako, tapos na ako magluto, maliligo na ako, ganung bagay, guys. If, for example, dito na ako sa work, syempre, you know yung oras ng work ng partner mo, 8 to 5 hours, so, that time, yung oras ng work na 8 to 5 hours, kampanteng isip mo na he or she is working. And then, this is just a scenario, guys. This is just an example. So, and then after 8 to 5 hours, dumating yung 8 p.m., wala pa ding update. So, your partner start overthinking. Even though nandun yung trust, it doesn't mean guys na ng babae or nagloloko yung partner mo. It doesn't mean like that. It means giving your partner the peace of mind. 8 p.m. na. So, your mind is bothering you na ano kayang ginagawa niya? You start thinking na gano'n. Kasi 8 to 5, 8 to 5 is duty niya is, di ba, nag-work siya ng gano'n. So, usually, or pag nasanay ka ng 5 p.m. nakapag-out na siya. Or nag-update na siya na, out na ako, ganong oras. And then, 8 p.m., dumating yung 8 p.m. na walang update. You start thinking, what is happening? So, maybe, nandun na yung hindi ka mag-iisip na, hindi lagi iisipin mo ng babae or nagloloko. Pwede mong isipin na ano kayo nangyari, may something happened ba. So your partner guys needs peace of mind. Small update lang yan, magbubukas ka ng data, it's just a second. You can do it in a second, okay? Bubukas ka ng data, mag-chat ka, hindi pa ako makaka-uwi kasi ganito ganyan, okay? So nawala ako guys. Ganun lang guys, kasimple. Okay, sorry. And then, yun lang. That's my, lang, video. Anyway, guys, huwag kayong maniwala sa, sa skin ko and then sa gantong face ko na parang ang ganda-ganda ko. Cute ko. It's just a filter, guys. Sa totoong buhay, hindi ako ganun. Okay, bye, guys.